Pixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this beautiful home decor. Basically it's a kitchen decor because it's a plastic bottle cutlery set and it's really very easy and very cute. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So as you can see, I'm making this with a plastic bottle and it's the best thing you can use for best out of waste crafts. Now what I'll do is that I'll take the bottom part and cover it with glue. Then I'll put some white cotton on top of it. So once I've covered this with the cotton, now what I'll do is that I'll take this printed fabric and it's beautiful, and this is just a white and black stripes fabric. So I'll just cover this with this fabric as well, and then I'll take my needle and thread and I'll sew it out from the base. Then I'll just pull it so that it can close the base, and then I'll tie a knot so that it holds its place. Once I'm done doing that, I'll just put this fabric inwards and then cover it. So I get this kind of shape over here right now. Now what I'll do is that I'll take the skin colored fabric and I'll take two pieces of the circle in the same shape. Now I'll take my needle and thread and start sewing the ends. So one part is to be remained not sewed. So as you can see, this is how I'll just turn it upside down. Once it's done, I'll take a pencil and just make some lace inside. Now I'll just take some white cotton and stuff it with the white cotton so that it looks nice and fluffy. Then I'll take my needle and thread and I'll start sewing it so that it closes the end. Once it's done, as you can see, I'll take another piece of same fabric and I'll take my needle and thread as well, take some white cotton and then pull it out. After tying a knot, this is what shape I get right now. Once that is done, I'll take my needle and thread all over again and I'll take these black beads over here and then just make the eyes. Alright, then this is the nose. So now I've taken white wool over here to give that white hairy effect over here. So what I'll do is that I'll take it and just take some thick amount of white wool, tie a knot over here. Once it's done, I'll take my scissors and I'll cut the axis. So this is the beautiful thick moustache. Then I'll take my brush and I'll just put some eyeshadows on the cheeks to make that pink blushy effect. Once that is done, I'll take my wool again, white wool, and I'll just fold it over here and put on both of the sides. Once that is done, I'll take my pen and I'll just make the eyebrows. Okay, after that I'll take this fabric again and I'll put some white cardboard inside it. Basically it's a card paper. I'll just make this ring. Then I'll take white fabric again and I'll cut the sides. So now as you can see, I've taken a bigger circle as well in the white fabric, same fabric cut out. Now I'll just make a ruffle over here and then put some white cotton and stuff it again and just tie a knot. Alright, then I'll put this ring on top of the head and make this beautiful cooking hat. Once that is done, again I'll take the white fabric and I'll start sewing it from all the sides. Once that is done, as you can see, this is what I get. Now I'll stuff cotton inside again. And then I'll just sew the other end. Then again I'll take the same white fabric. So these will be the hands. I'll just put some glue on one end and close it. Then again I'll take the same skin colored fabric and I'll just put some cotton inside. After tying a knot, I'll just use my thread and I'll make the fingers as well. So this is the palm, main hand for my beautiful Mr. Cook. Alright, so now I'll stick it to the hand. Once that is done, again I'll take white fabric and I'll just stick it over here. Then I'll stick this to the body. After doing that, I'll take some black gems and I'll just make the cooking coat, and then these are the buttons. Then I'll stick the head with the body. Now I'll just stick a black bow. Once that is done, I'll stick this white card paper over here. And this is a fabric, this is basically an apron. So I'll just stick it over here. Then I'll stick the body. Then I'll stick the apron as well. Now I'll just take his hand, put some hot glue and just make him hold himself like this. Then now let's start making the shoes. So it's very easy, you just have to take some black fabric circles and stuff it with white cotton, then tie a knot and then stick it over here on the base. Now I'll just take this golden cardboard and place him on top of it so that he is now ready. Now I'll place my cutlery inside it, and this is what my final look is. This is a very beautiful, cute and creative way to decorate your kitchen and make a beautiful cutlery stand. This Mr. Cook is really very cute and very easy to make, as you have already seen in my video. So guys, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.